Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Gonna do some testing of the new 44mm Injora pin tires on 3D printed wheels versus Injora weighted wheels with the Buggy30 build that I did. So let's check it out. So we're gonna use these brass wheels, and we're also gonna use the 3D printed wheels, see which ones do better. Simple climb up this. Just to the top, and then we'll do a harder line. No problems there. All right, steeper line. Probably not gonna have any problems going straight up this, but we'll see. Oh, and the wheel looks like it's starting to come off. Let's fix that. Yeah, I must have hit that while traveling. And it's starting to come off its bead, but we'll still do it and check it out. There we go. Oh. All right, guys, moving on to something a lot steeper. A lot steeper. This is a good rock to test this on. We'll see about this. This is going to be a challenge right here. Keeping the front end down. Yep, that's what I thought. Let's try this line right here. It's a fun line. Nope, let's try it again. Come on. Let's get the crap out of it. All right, let's try it again. Nope, will not make it up that line. Although, one more time on this line. All right, well, it failed, and the tires are starting to peel off, so we're going to move on to the next set of tires. All right, guys, got the new brass tires on. Swapped them over. This is probably going to be an easy climb for this. And it was an easy climb. We'll go show you how you can go downhill pretty good. Whoop. And we'll do the steeper climb like the other one. A lot of lichens on this rock, so it's going to be a little slipperier, but no problems. The incline is not that bad. And we're gonna go up here. Wish I had these kind of rocks near my house. I'm on vacation at my parents' house. All right, it did that very easily. Right. The one where the other tires had a really hard problem going up this. Let's see how well it does. A lot more weight on these tires, so it should keep it down. I'm gonna do the exact same line first. And it might still tip over. Right here is where it had our issue. Starting to push. Oh, no problem at all, guys. See if I can get down this without flipping. Oh yeah. For a tiny rig, pretty good. All right, now we're gonna start here and go up this, well, we're gonna start right here, go up here, see how well it does. Yeah, I like these tires better. The 3D printed tires I did like, they're not as capable, in my opinion, than just the Injora wheels. Same tires though, they're both 44 millimeter pin tires from Injora. Well, that was good. It got up that pretty good. Try to scoot it up here without flipping it. You can see that we need to get that left tire down. If we don't get that tire down, it's gonna do that. Oh, that's a good spill. So now we're gonna work on this, guys. We're gonna go up this. This is pretty fun. This little gully looks pretty fun. See how well it does. Very good. Nicely done. Yeah, these tires are a lot better. This is probably not going to make this gap. Looks a little steep, but yeah. Let's try it again. Let's try going over here first and then over. See if we can get a better traction and get the rear tires to bite. Oh, almost had it. Almost had it. Let's get some of this garbage out. Oh no. All right. Well, that's gonna do it for that, because forgot to put Loctite in the transmission to connect the motor, so it looks like the motor is loosened up. So we're done today. But again, hit that like and subscribe button if you like what you see. In the comments, let me know your thoughts. And again, thanks for watching, guys.